This is the game of love. Say something that you love about the other person. That person must receive the compliment and then say something loving back. Nick, you start.
I can't think of anything.
Hey, we're getting so far with you.
I love your eyes when they're not glaring at me.
Vivian?
I love how you try out for a Broadway musical even when you can't sing.
I love your sense of humor sometimes.
Be specific.
I love your dry wit and how you laugh at your own jokes.
This is how we start to take off our masks in front of each other.
I love how you know what I want even before I want it.
Very good. The answers are inside of you.
I don't even know the questions.
You will.
I love making you coffee in the morning.
Oh, I love you making me coffee in the morning.
Keep going.
I love your curvy thumb.
I knew you always loved it. I'm sorry for humiliating Gabriel.
It's okay. He'll live.
I love the real you. No jokes, no armor, just you.
I love how you converse with the universe. And it listens. And it talks back.
You're so good.
Hey! Oh, that was the best non-performance I've ever seen.
Thank you.
Kara, you were wonderful.
Thank you. I think I crushed that one.
What did you crush?
Wasn't it obvious?
Oh, of course it was.
What was your favorite part?
Oh, that's also good. It was like everything and nothing happened at the same time.
But which part did you like the very best?
I like the silence best.
There were sounds in the silence.
Simon Garfunkel song.
Nick, Simon Garfinkel.
What are you talking about?
The way you look at her. Your inside jokes, your own weird dolphin language.
That's ridiculous.
Is it? Vivian is the female version of you. You fight with her because you see yourself in her, and you don't always like what you see.
I got the part.
You're kidding, on what?
House of Cards. Recurring role as a hot dog vendor. But he's spicy.
The role you were born to play. Oh, I opened a bottle of wine. You should pour yourself a glass.
You think it's too early to throw away the white gloves?
Never. Oh, I'm so happy for you.
You actually helped me get it.
I did.
Yeah. Pretending like we were in a relationship helped me realize what it feels like to commit to something.
What did you commit to?
Myself, my acting, and to this.
To what? To the couch? You were the last but to break it.
You trying to domesticate me or whatever.
I am not trying to domesticate you.
Fine. Domestic partnership. Look, I'm pretty horrible at relationships.
You are.
But somehow, I feel okay with this one. Maybe that's where love comes from. Feeling good at the thing you're usually horrible at. When I found out about the part, the first person I wanted to tell was you.
That's the sweetest thing you've ever said to me without a therapist making you say it.
Maybe Judy saw our potential all along, even before we saw it in ourselves.
What if our domestic partnership is good? Because it doesn't fall into what we're bad at yet. We see it differently, so we act differently, more lovingly than in our real relationships.
To quote Dr. Judy, perfection is the antithesis of love. What we have is not perfect.
Sometimes when we're sitting here, I get confused and I think, are we supposed to kiss goodnight? But the truth is, what I really want is for us to show each other how good it can be to stick around.